Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I'm back with another video. I've been out for a few days actually. My wife said it was the norovirus, and she works around children, and somehow she brought it in the house, and I ended up with it. And I don't know if you know what the norovirus is, but it kind of messes you up, your stomach and everything, and it makes your body sore. Long story short, I won't go into all the details, but let's say I was down and out for about 4 days, okay? And that's how bad it was, but it's good to be back. I wanted to get a video out today. Almost didn't feel like it, and I always feel like making videos, but again, I didn't feel like it. But I'm glad I'm glad I decided to push my way and get something done today. Okay. Now, as you can see, I've got this power thought that I want to share with you. We will never change what we consistently tolerate. And I'm going to give a brief commentary on that power thought. Okay. Before I do, I'm going to take you in and share this business opportunity with you. And then we're going to come back and do a brief commentary on this power thought here. We will never change what we consistently tolerate. Again, it is kind of good to be back, working on a video, doing some stuff. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I want to share this business opportunity with you. It is my featured home business opportunity for this video, and the opportunity is Easy20Now. Okay, low cost, high profit potential opportunity. Very simple business opportunity, and the question is how would you like to make $200 a day or more? Okay. Are you ready to tap into the ultimate money making machine? With this opportunity, you're able to fill your bank account with $20 deposits over and over again. Okay. And so you can get started today. All right. Purchase your fully automated mini site package for only $20. Okay. And that's a fully automated mini site for only $20. Okay. And then there's the setup fee. So you complete your mini site setup fee for just $9.95. So you're in business. Okay. One time out of pocket for $29.95. All right. And think about it. You're able to earn with this opportunity $20 over and over and over again, with a one-time out-of-pocket expense of $29.95. And then you share your site. Okay? Showcase your site to millions of people online who are seeking simple and affordable ways to make money. And there are many different places. Social media, okay? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name them. There are many where you could share this information. Safe lists, okay, that I use as well. Okay, so there's there's no shortage of places that where you can share this opportunity. Okay, now let's look at this. Imagine opening your email to countless notifications of payment received, messages from people across the internet. Visualize the excitement as $20, $160, and even $360 payments roll in daily to your PayPal or Cash App account. And you can use either PayPal, or you can use Cash App, or you can use both to receive your payments. Okay? All right. So let's get on and let's look at this power thought really quickly. Okay, so here we go. We will never change what we consistently tolerate. And this is a great thought from Pat Mesiti. I had the pleasure of meeting Pat Mesiti about 18 years ago at a conference. And Pat Mesiti is a world-renowned speaker. He's an author and teacher, and he really specializes in things like mindset development, developing a prosperity mindset, etc., etc. Very, very powerful, dynamic man that's walking the earth today. That's Pat Mesiti. Okay, so let's get in and break down this thought today. We will never change what we consistently tolerate. As long as we put up with or accept a situation, as long as we tolerate things, okay, whether in our personal lives, work lives, or just life in general, if we tolerate it, it will persist. There is no real incentive to change it. See, if we're going to put up with stuff, whether we like stuff or not, if we put up with it, there's no real incentive for us to change, okay? Sometimes we tolerate or put up with things, circumstances, situations, etc. Sometimes, there's people too we put up with, sometimes I don't like to say that, but it's true. Now, even if they don't serve us well, they are uncomfortable or undesirable. And, sometimes we're in things that don't serve us well. We're in situations that are uncomfortable. We're in situations that are undesirable. And if we put up with it, guess what? There's no real incentive for us to change it. Now, if we tolerate mediocrity, oh my goodness, we won't strive for excellence. If we tolerate toxic relationships, we'll stay in them. If we tolerate injustice, it will continue. If we tolerate, put whatever it is in the blank. What are some things in your life that you just simply tolerate, that you just simply put up with? If you've got those things going on, then you won't change them. Okay. Now look, change happens only when our discontent becomes stronger than our willingness to tolerate things. Man, I just got to say that one more time. Change happens only when our discontent becomes stronger than our willingness to tolerate things. When something becomes unacceptable, we are compelled to act. We might set boundaries, we might demand better, or we might strive for change. In short, what we allow will continue. If we tolerate it, it's going to continue. And only by refusing to tolerate what holds us back can we create real change. Okay, in closing, be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video. There'll be some extra links there too, some bonus links with some bonus information. Check everything out, okay? And be sure to check out Easy20. We will never change what we consistently tolerate. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. If anything you heard, you kind of liked it, give me a thumbs up, okay? All right. Thanks a lot. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.